The next study technique we're going to look over is mind maps. So, I'm going to be using my maths notes from a recent topic I learned in maths to make a mind map. How I start is by writing the title of the topic in the middle of the page. I then use a different coloured pen to write some subheadings within that topic. And under each subheading, I'm going to put some key information that I need to remember. So because it's maths, I'm going to put down some formulas. If you were in a subject like history and needed to use a mind map to study, you could do something like putting key dates in.